Hello YouTube. I'm here again with another tutorial. Before I get started, I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and favoriting the videos, liking them, making comments. I really appreciate it. I know it sounds kind of corny, but I actually look forward to waking up in the morning and seeing how much comments I have or how many new subscribers I have. So thank you for that. I do have a Twitter and a website, so I have the links in the bottom bar. You can check it out there. And thank you for all your support, and that's why I keep making videos, because you guys keep subscribing and making comments and visiting my store and all those things like that. So today we're going to do the side square pattern friendship bracelet. I was actually hoping to get a new camera, but I'm starting college in September, and it turns out I didn't have as much money as I thought I would to get the camera. So you just have to bear with me for the quality of the videos. In some of the videos I try to type out the instructions, but you guys have said that you rather me talk through it, so I'm going to do that. And for the next video, I'm going to do the spiral S talk over. A lot of you have been saying that the video is kind of complicated and confusing, so I'm going to redo that for you. But today I'm just going to do the side square. So I'm going to start from the beginning. All I did was pick my colors, cut my string. You can look in the description bar for how long your string needs to be and how many different colors you need to have. So these are the colors that I chose. I just chose light purple, dark pink, light pink, and white. Nothing special. So I'm just going to put it in order. When you choose the order for this bracelet, depending on what you want your square to be and what you want your border to be, is going to be different. For example, if you have a different order of colors, if these are the same colors, the bracelet's going to come out completely different. So when I'm doing this one, I actually want the square to be dark purple and light purple, and I want the borders to be light pink, dark pink, and white. And so that's how I'm arranging it. So whatever you want the square to be, that's what you do for purple. And whatever you want the border to be, then copy those colors for pink. Okay, so this is going to be the order that I'm going to pick. So I'm going to go with white, light pink, dark pink. I'm just going to put it in order. White, light pink, dark pink, and then white, light purple, then my two dark purples in the middle, and then just a mirror effect on the other side. Let's get this out of the way. So then it's just going to be light purple. If you have problems making the bracelets, if you don't want to make them yourself, I do sell them on my website. So you could always just visit the website and purchase them if you prefer. Okay. White. Alright, so I have them in order. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 6th string from the left, to me it's my first purple. And I'm just going to make 6 right knots. So I'm just looking at instructions in case you guys are wondering. I don't have all the patterns memorized. Yeah, so we're going to make 6 knots. 3, 4, 5, okay. It's actually going to be 5 right knots and 1 right-left knot. But when I get to the right-left knot, I'll let you know. So here we go. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then the last one for me is white. So it's going to be 5 right knots, and I'm going to do the right left knot. So we do 1 right, and 1 left. Okay, so that's for that side, and now we're going to do the opposite side, which is going to be a left knots, and we're going to do 4 left knots, and then 1 left right knot. Now I don't know if I've said this before, but when you first start making the bracelets, because the knot's at the top, it's usually a little warpy right at the top. I mean that as in the square is not going to be an even size from all the other parts. So just keep that in mind when you do it. So we're going to do 4 left knots. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then for the last one, it's going to be left right. So left, right. If you don't know the difference between a left right and right left knot, you can take a look at my bracelet tutorial for the basics, and it tells you how to do all the different types of knots. So if you have trouble with the types of knots, then you can just go there and take a look. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my 2 middle string again. Okay, and I'm going to make 3 right knots. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then with the 4th, I'm going to make a right left knot. So right, left. Okay. And just so you don't get confused, we're actually doing the box, like this part's the box. So that's why you're not going to be using, well, for me, the dark purple just quite yet. Just because at the end, we'll just close it in together with a V. Okay. So now I'm going to do this the opposite for the opposite side. So I'm going to do 2 left knots and a left right knot. 1, 2, this is the left right knot. Okay. Then I'm going to go to the middle strings again. So for me it's white. And I'm just going to make 1 right knot and 1 right left knot. So here's the right knot. And the right left knot. Okay. And then the opposite for the opposite side. I'm just going to make a left-right knot. And make sure you try to get all the knots even. If you don't get all the knots even, it'll come out like weird. Okay, and then now again with the two middle that's still white, I'll make another right knot. Okay, so now we're gonna start closing in the box. Okay, so for me it's the light purple. It's the 4th string from the right. And I'm just gonna do 2 left knots. One, two, and then with the purple from the left side, because I'm closing up the square, which is going to be the 4th string from the left. Oh, my string's getting all tangled up. Alright, I got it. Alright, so the 4th string from the left. We're going to do 3 right knots, just to close the square. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what mine looks like so far. Doesn't really look that amazing. It's just because this is the first one, it never comes out looking the correct size or proportion. But that's fine. At the end of the video, I'll just continue through the pattern and make another one so you could see what it looked like on the finished bracelet. Okay, so now we have that done, we're going to close it in with the purple knots. So we're going to start off with, well, for me it's purple. We're going to start off with the 2nd string from the right. And we're just going to make 4 left knots. So 1, 2, 3,